In today's video, we will discuss the top 8 vitamins that help normalize blood sugar levels, repair nerve damage, and prevent complications from diabetes. If you're suffering from neuropathy pain, prediabetes, or type 2 diabetes, this video is for you. All the organs, including the heart, rely on nerve health. According to research, around 50% or more people with diabetes have peripheral neuropathy. It damages nerves outside the brain and spinal cord, resulting in weakness, numbness, and pain in the body's extremities, such as hands, feet, and arms. Usually, nerve damage first affects the legs and feet, resulting in the feet becoming ultra-sensitive to touch, pressure, and temperature. This is dangerous because you can easily hurt your feet by wearing poorly fitting shoes or stepping on something sharp or hot. If you do not take care of your feet properly and continue walking against your blister or wound, it can develop into an ulcer. High blood sugar also damages blood vessels and reduces blood flow to your feet. As a result, reduced oxygen and nutrients supplied to the nerves and skin on your feet and wounds take longer to heal and can lead to gangrene. Now let us start with nutrients that can correct the common deficiency and control blood sugar. Number 1. Cinnamon. This well-known spice helps your body's cells respond better to insulin. In turn, this allows sugar into your cells, lowering blood sugar. However, it would be best if you got natural cinnamon from Sri Lanka, which barely contains any coumarin. Coumarin contains a toxic compound that can harm your liver when consumed in large amounts. Number 2. Vitamin D3. Vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin, is produced by the body in response to skin being exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D supplementation has been reported to benefit neuropathic pain and prevent nerve cell degeneration. This vitamin improves the function of pancreatic cells that makes insulin and increases your body's responsiveness to insulin. You can also get vitamin D through a diet like fatty fish, mushrooms, and egg yolk. Number 3. Vitamin B12. This vitamin is typically known as an energy booster, but it also benefits the nervous system. It helps form the substance that creates a protective covering over nerve cells called myelin. If you are deficient in vitamin B12, it can cause problems with myelin and affect the functioning of the nervous system. As a result, degenerative disorder of the spinal cord occurs. Studies show that vitamin B12 deficiency is more common in diabetic people because of the use of blood glucose control medications like metformin. Number 4. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 can improve nerve density in your feet. This is important because the more nerves you have in your feet, the easier it is for them to send clear messages to your brain. This can help stop tingling, numbness, and stinging. Number 5. Choline. Foods rich in choline are eggs, many vegetables, mushrooms, and red meat. It is a building block for the nerve cells and helps our bodies produce the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which plays a vital role in regulating memory, mood, and intelligence. Choline also protects the myelin sheath and improves nerve function. This is important because according to new research, people with diabetes run a high risk of developing dementia and cognitive impairment. Number 6. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA. ALA is a powerful antioxidant produced in your liver and found in some foods like broccoli, red meat, and spinach. It improves insulin sensitivity and your cell's sugar uptake from your blood, though it may take a few months to experience these effects. Spikes in blood sugar can generate free radicals and can harm nerve cells. Supplements of ALA battle free radicals and control blood sugar levels. You can take 600 to 1200 milligrams per day in capsule form. Number 7. Chromium Picolinate. Chromium reduces insulin resistance, the number 1 cause of prediabetes, diabetes, and neuropathy. Your body can easily absorb chromium in the form of chromium picolinate. This mineral also decreases cravings for sugar-rich foods. Number 8. Acetyl-L-Carnitine. Acetyl-L-Carnitine is an amino acid and powerful antioxidant. It boosts energy levels, creates healthy nerve cells, and reduces pain in people with neuropathy. It can be taken as a supplement, and the typical dose is 500 milligrams twice daily. Natural food sources of acetyl-L-carnitine include fish, meat, poultry, and dairy products. Remember, this video is for educational purposes. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Do you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification button.